Hello, good day. I am Nika Lorraine Espejo. I am 39 years old. I have a live-in partner and we are blessed with four lovely children. I have worked in Hong Kong as domestic helper, but unfortunately, I wasn't able to finish my contract due to my mother passing away. My mainly duties was to take care of a newborn child, but of course, I also do the cleaning, the cooking, marketing, bringing the child to the school play, and gardening also. Of course, I do the laundry and the ironing. Well, I think I am a very jolly person. I always smile. I can be very competitive and I can adjust to. I am easily. I can easily adjust myself to any situation or an environment. My skills, I think, my skills is I am good at cooking. Well, of course, when I got to Hong Kong, I am not aware of all the Chinese dishes, but luckily and fortunately, I have learned from my employer, of course, and YouTube. So I am easy to learn. Yes, I'm good in listening and obey all the orders. Um, if I can work alone, yes, I can work alone. I can also work with the other helpers if that's the situation. That's okay with me. Um, it doesn't matter what work can you offer me as long as I have work, I can do it. So um, I hope you get interested. Thank you very much. Please check my profile on the Helpers Library. Good day.